China has taken an unexpected move that has sent shockwaves through the US, EU, and the global community. In a strategic shift, Beijing has targeted critical sectors in ways that threaten to disrupt the global balance of power. From economic maneuvers to geopolitical moves, China's latest actions have caught its Western rivals off guard, leaving them scrambling to respond. How will the world react to China's latest power play? Over the past few decades, China has become a global manufacturing powerhouse, attracting major international companies like Apple, Tesla, and Microsoft. Key industries such as aluminum, cement, steel, and solar panel production have positioned China as a dominant player in the global economy. This manufacturing revolution began in 1978 under Deng Xiaoping, whose reforms opened China to foreign investment and created special economic zones, including Shenzhen, which transformed into the world's electronics manufacturing hub. China's lower labor costs initially attracted foreign companies, but the Chinese government's significant role in manufacturing growth through subsidies, tax breaks, and financial support has been crucial. China's vast domestic market, rich natural resources, and integrated production chains have also contributed to its efficiency. State-owned enterprises have played a key role, receiving preferential treatment in funding, contracts, and regulation, giving them a competitive edge globally. China's rise in manufacturing has not only reshaped industries worldwide, but also strengthened its geopolitical influence, particularly through its trade surplus with countries like the United States. With state involvement, skilled labor, and advanced manufacturing capabilities, China's dominance in global production continues to grow, leaving other nations scrambling to adapt. We will now highlight some of China's most revolutionary technological innovations across various fields, spanning from military weapons to AI, manufacturing, and humanoid robots. Let's begin by examining some of China's most advanced humanoid robots. The Unitree Go 2 robot is an advanced quadruped robot designed for practical and versatile applications. Go 2 features enhanced mobility, advanced AI capabilities, and improved sensory perception, making it highly effective for tasks like inspection, surveillance, and research. Equipped with sophisticated actuators and AI-powered algorithms, the Go 2 can navigate through complex environments with agility and stability. The Go 2's key strength lies in its AI-based decision-making, which enables it to adapt to its surroundings autonomously. It uses an array of sensors, cameras, and LiDAR technology to assess its environment, making it suitable for tasks in both indoor and outdoor settings. The robot is able to perform real-time obstacle avoidance, navigate over uneven terrain, and maintain balance, which makes it highly capable in scenarios such as industrial inspections or disaster recovery. The Go 2 is also notable for its versatility. It can be outfitted with various payloads and modules such as cameras or robotic arms, depending on the required task. Walker is a practical and smart humanoid robot, meticulously designed for versatility in various tasks and environments. Its core function is to become an indispensable part of daily human life, seamlessly integrating into routines and activities. Walker's advanced and flexible full-body control system ensures the utmost safety during interactions with humans, protecting users from potential accidents. Its arms are engineered to mimic human movements with high precision, greatly expanding its functionality and interaction possibilities, making it capable of performing a wide range of tasks. Walker is equipped with the ability to navigate various terrains, which makes it highly adaptable to different settings, whether indoors or outdoors. It communicates effectively with humans through a sophisticated high-tech speech recognition system, allowing it to understand and respond to verbal commands accurately. Furthermore, Walker can imitate 28 different facial expressions, significantly enhancing its ability to interact meaningfully and empathetically with humans. This feature allows it to not only perform tasks, but also to connect on an emotional level. It is not just a robotic assistant, but a genuine companion that can understand and respond to emotional cues, thereby introducing a new phase in the evolution of robotics. China has also introduced the world's first floating SUV, the Yangwang U8. This vehicle has become the most expensive electric vehicle to be mass-produced in China, with a price tag of $50,000. Thanks to its hydraulic system, the U8 can raise and lower itself by up to 150 millimeters. It also features a tank turn capability, allowing it to rotate 360 degrees while stationary. The base version of the SUV can ford water up to 1 meter deep and up to 1.4 meters in the off-road edition. If the vehicle becomes submerged deeper in water, an emergency floating mode is activated. In this mode, the internal combustion engine shuts off, windows close, the air conditioning switches to internal circulation, and the sunroof opens, providing an emergency exit. The SUV can remain afloat for up to 30 minutes, moving forward at a speed of 3 kilometers per h. The manufacturer emphasized that this feature is intended only for emergency situations, such as floods, not for crossing lakes and rivers. After activating the emergency floating mode, the vehicle must be taken to a service center for inspection. China recently introduced the world's first suspended maglev line, a revolutionary SkyTrain that operates using neodymium magnets, allowing it to remain levitated indefinitely without an external power source. Unlike traditional maglev trains, this innovative model travels approximately 10 meters above the ground and can reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour. The train's design leverages a frictionless environment, requiring minimal electricity to propel itself forward. Developed by Jiangxi University of Science and Technology, the maglev train is highly efficient, with its construction costing only a tenth of a typical subway system and generating very low levels of electromagnetic radiation. This advanced transportation system represents a significant leap in sustainable travel, combining high efficiency with reduced environmental impact. The line's initial phase has proven successful, and local transport authorities have announced plans to extend the track to 7.5 kilometers. Upon completion, the upgraded line is expected to support a maximum operating speed of 120 kilometers per hour, enhancing the region's public transportation network. The suspended maglev line not only demonstrates China's innovation in magnetic levitation technology, but also offers a glimpse into the future of public transit. Next, we'll explore some of China's advanced military technology. The Winglong 2 is a Chinese-made UAV developed by the Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group. Designed for both reconnaissance and combat missions, the Winglong 2 represents a significant advancement over its predecessor, the Winglong 1, with improvements in payload, range, endurance, and overall performance. The Winglong 2 features a sleek, aerodynamic design and is powered by a single turboprop engine, which allows it to reach a maximum speed of approximately 230 miles per hour. The UAV is capable of carrying a payload of up to 480 kilograms, which includes an array of sensors, cameras, and weapons, such as laser-guided bombs and air-to-surface missiles. One of the standout features of the Winglong 2 is its long endurance and range. It can stay airborne for up to 32 hours without refueling, making it highly suitable for prolonged missions over large distances. The UAV has a range of approximately 4,000 kilometers, enabling it to cover vast areas and operate in diverse environments. The Winglong 2 is used by several countries, including China, the United Arab Emirates, and Egypt, among others. It has been deployed in various conflict zones for surveillance and combat operations. The Chinese Sea Dragon Commandos demonstrated their innovative bird-like drones designed for covert military operations. These drones mimic the appearance and behavior of real birds, making them almost indistinguishable from the natural environment. Their design incorporates biomimetic technology, which allows them to replicate natural bird flight patterns, giving them a unique advantage in stealth and camouflage. This ability to blend seamlessly into the environment makes the drones ideal for surveillance and reconnaissance missions, as they can go undetected by both human observers and traditional radar systems. They could be used to gather intelligence, perform reconnaissance missions, and potentially execute targeted operations without alerting the enemy. This development showcases China's focus on enhancing its military capabilities through innovation, particularly in UAVs. The ability to carry out surveillance with such a high degree of stealth could lead to increased tensions and suspicions between nations. The drones' potential for espionage and their role in psychological warfare are noteworthy. Their capacity to gather intelligence without detection could be leveraged for a wide range of covert activities, from monitoring military installations to tracking key individuals. China not only excels in robotics and military advancements, they are also the world's leading manufacturers. Alibaba, the Chinese e-commerce giant, has significantly boosted warehouse efficiency by integrating advanced robotics, achieving a productivity increase of 300%. Located in Huiyang, Guangdong Province, this state-of-the-art facility spans nearly 3,000 square meters and uses over 1,000 intelligent robots designed by Quicktron, a Shanghai-based company. These AI-powered robots, connected through Wi-Fi, assist in various tasks such as packaging, inventory control, and transporting heavy loads. The robots are equipped with laser navigation and can communicate with each other to avoid collisions, ensuring a smooth workflow. Moreover, these robots autonomously return to charging stations when their battery levels are low, minimizing downtime and maximizing operational efficiency. By implementing robotic technology, Alibaba not only improves its logistics and order fulfillment processes, but also reduces operational costs and enhances overall safety within the warehouse. In Dongguan, China, a factory has revolutionized its operations by replacing 90% of its human workforce with robots, which has led to a remarkable 250% increase in productivity. Initially, the factory employed 650 workers, but after automation, only 60 staff members remain, primarily responsible for robot maintenance and ensuring the continuous operation of production lines. These robots, including advanced manipulators and autonomous vehicles, handle all critical assembly tasks. The adoption of robotics reflects broader industrial trends in China, where over 1,500 enterprises are gradually integrating automation to optimize processes and cut costs. While the benefits of automation are clear from a business perspective, reducing operational costs and increasing output quality, this transition has led to significant social challenges. Many workers who have lost their jobs due to automation have protested and gone on strike, reflecting the growing unrest among displaced employees. Despite these social challenges, the trend towards automation continues to accelerate, with predictions that by 2025, approximately one-third of jobs globally could be performed by robots, smart devices, and specialized software. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI and robotics.